Material sources of history. Collecting artifacts, classifying them according to their historical date and type, and preparing indexes. Completing necessary mechanical and chemical processes of cleaning for the conservation and preservation of collected documents. Arranging exhibitions of selected artifacts or their replicas. Writing and publishing research articles about collected artifacts. Classifying fossils of plants and animals and preparing indexes. Fossils means the remains or impression of a prehistoric plant or animal embedded in rock and preserved in petrified form. Exhibiting selected fossils or their replicas. Necessary training. 1. Basic knowledge of archaeological method and theory, history of ancient civilizations. Archaeological. The scientific study of historic or prehistoric people and their cultures by analysis of their artifacts, inscriptions, monuments, and other such remains, especially those that have been excavated. 2. Knowledge of the regional sources of materials like stones, minerals, metals, and clay used in the production of artifacts and their chemical properties. 3. Knowledge of equipment and chemicals necessary for the cleaning of artifacts and other chemical processes. 4. Knowledge of various schools and styles of arts and their development. 5. Knowledge and skills of making replicas, that is, models of artifacts and fossils. 6. Knowledge of various approaches of managing exhibitions in museums, galleries, and information technology. 7. Writing research reports and articles. Some famous museums. Have you been to a museum? Ever wondered how they were created? Well, museums were created to organize and manage the antiquities collected by members of royal and elite families of medieval Europe. Antiquities means an object, building, or work of art from the ancient past. Louvre Museum, France. The Louvre Museum in Paris was established in the 18th century CE. Antiquities collected by members of the royal family were exhibited in the Louvre Museum. It included the much-acclaimed painting of Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci, the world-renowned artist. He worked under the patronage of Francis I, the King of France, in the 16th century. The collection in the Louvre Museum increased to a great extent because of the antiquities brought back by Napoleon Bonaparte from his conquests. Conquests means state of being conquered. Presently, the museum contains more than 3,80,000 artifacts. British Museum, England. The British Museum in London was established in the 18th century CE. Sir Hans Sloane, a natural scientist, handed over about 71,000 objects in his collection to the King of England, George II. Sir Hans Sloane was the first baronet, PRS, 16th April 1660 to 11 January 1753, was an Irish physician, naturalist and collector noted for bequeathing his collection to the British nation, thus providing the foundation of the British Museum. It included several books, pictures, specimens of preserved plants, that is, herbarium, etc. Herbarium means a systematically arranged collection of dried plants. Later, the collection was expanded by addition of various art objects and ancient artifacts collected by the British people from British colonies. Presently, the museum collection comprises about 80 lakh objects. National Museum of Natural History, United States of America. This Museum of Natural History, managed by the Smithsonian Institution, was established in 1846 CE. It houses more than 12 crore, that is 120 million specimens of fossils and remains of plants and animals, minerals, rocks, human fossils, and artifacts. Museums in India. The first museum in India, Indian Museum, was established by Asiatic Society of Bengal in Kolkata in 1814 CE. The second museum in India, Government Museum, was established in Chennai in 1851 CE. The National Museum was established in Delhi in 1949. Presently, there are several museums in various states of India. Usually, the big museums have their own archives and libraries. Some museums are affiliated to universities. Affiliated means officially attached or connected to an organization. Such museums also offer courses in museology. Following are some of the well-known institutes and universities which offer degree and diploma courses in museology. Let's have a look. 1. National Museum, Delhi. 2. Maharaj Sayyaji Rao University, Vadodara. 3. Kolkata University, Kolkata. 4. Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. 5. Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. 6. Jivaji University, Gwalior. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya. In 1904 CE, some influential residents of Mumbai decided to establish a museum to commemorate the visit of Prince of Wales to India. Commemorate means to recall and show respect for someone or something. In the month of November of 1905 CE, the foundation was laid of the museum building. It was decided that the name of the museum would be Prince of Wales Museum of Western India. It was renamed as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya in 1998 CE. The building of the museum is built in Indo-Gothic style. Indo-Gothic denotes the fusion of Indo-Islamic and Indian architecture. It has been given the status of Grade 1st Heritage Building in Mumbai. The museum houses about 50,000 antiquities divided into 3 categories: arts, archaeology, and natural history. You would like to know this. Famous museums in India. The following are some of the famous museums in India. Indian Museum, Kolkata. National Museum, Delhi. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, Mumbai. Salar Jung Museum, Hyderabad. The Calico Museum of Textiles, Ahmedabad.